Bom dia, miembros de prensa, comunidad de Aeropuerto, mi colega Nan, invitado Nan. Good morning, members of the press, our airport community, our guests as well. On behalf of Korsou Airport Partners, we welcome you this morning, Friday the 7th of April, as we officially open the newest concessionaire facilities at Korsou International Airport. With the airport expansion project and airport developments, CAP has focused on various aspects through which the passenger and visitors' airport experience can be enhanced. By both working on expanding and doubling the areas where passengers and visitors pass through when arriving and waiting, but also by abiding with what CAP receives as requests and tips from airport users through surveys and other methods, which are a larger number of and bigger variety of concession offerings, and so on. The commercial department researched how to best readjust and arrange current offerings, and also invited various companies that were interested in offering their services and products at Korsou International Airport. Today, the members of the press have been invited to the official opening of the most recent concessionaires that are offering their products and services here at the airport, thus supporting the airport community in the efforts to enhance the airport experience of both the passengers and the airport users. We will start today in the check-in hall, where we will officially open the Bridge Shop. The Bridge Shop is one of the shopping facilities where passengers can buy their souvenirs and still be able to place these in their luggage prior to traveling. Again, one of the ways CAP has adjusted to the passengers' last moments at the airport prior to departure, making this more easier, simplifying it and making it more smooth. Following, we will visit and officially open the new Alviasa duty-free shopping facilities. And hereafter we will exit through the arrivals hall, where we will introduce the mega advertising screen and officially open the food and beverage locations, Bell Italia and On the Rocks. During all official moments, we will invite forward the owner or representative of the store or F&B facility, and they will be offering a statement, whereafter a ribbon cutting will follow. As we are an international country and at the international airport, the speeches will be held in various languages such as English, Spanish, and Papiamense. Without further ado, I introduce to you the relocated Bridge Shop, which is a franchise that specializes in developing and operating travel retail shops with more than 130 stores in 11 countries. The company develops and manufactures its main coffee brands, gourmet chocolates, and specialized items. In addition, the Bridge Shop buys art directly from our local artisans. Please welcome forward, representing the Bridge Shop, Mr. Alban Ramirez.
Buenos días, es un gusto tenerlos acá en nuestra tienda. Esta es nuestra más nueva tienda en el Aeropuerto Internacional de Curazao y nos gustaría comentarles un poquito de toda nuestra tienda. Nosotros estamos presentes en más de 11 países, como se los comentaban, alrededor de Latinoamérica. Somos un especialista en retailers de aeropuertos y nos especializamos en ofrecer a los clientes productos locales, productos que den ese sense of place de cada uno de los locales o los países, donde nos presentamos. Por lo que ustedes van a encontrar en nuestra tienda productos hechos a mano, productos hechos por artesanos curazadeños y otros productos que complementan esa gran gama de opciones que le damos a los clientes que nos visitan. Aparte de eso, somos una empresa que decidió venir a Curazao por su gran fama internacional como uno de los destinos paradisíacos del Caribe, y tenemos 11 años de estar acá presentes. Muchas gracias.
Thank you. I'd like to ask forward as well from the Korsou Airport Partner Commercial Department, the Chief Operating Officer, Tobias Markert, the Director of Commercial, Mrs. Maduro, and the Assistant of Commercial, Mrs. Hernandez. Right now, the ribbon cutting of Brick Shop Korsou takes place in the Arrivals Hall, Korsou International Airport. The Brick Shop Korsou officially opened. Feel free to pass through and look at the various products and services that they offer at the Brick Shop.
Bomini miembro na imprensa não está de área de baggage claim atualmente. Aqui não é walkthrough duty free concept de Aldeasa. Me dou uma palavra mesora na senhora Angela Maria Sanchez.
Thank you. Bomini and welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, good morning everyone. Thank you for coming to this opening event. First, I would like to thank Curaçao Airport partners and people of Curaçao. The planning, work done, and hospitality extended to us has been just wonderful. We are part of a big company, Dufry, with more than 2,000 shops in 64 countries. In Curaçao, we are well known as Aldeasa, trade name that we are still using. Since we started off in 2004 in the old building, and later on in 2006, we moved to the new terminal with 2 stores in departures and 1 in arrivals. And we have many great challenges still happening. Aldeasa tailored its commercial model and adapts its product offering commercial offers and campaign to specific travelers, creating a strong sense of place. For Aldeasa, this means continuously reviewing and developing the core of its proposition, its store environment and range of products and brands, which balances with constantly shifting trends in the market and changing customer needs. We work closely with brands and airport partners to create exceptional shopping experiences. Aldeasa is restless in its effort to exceed customer expectations, to enhance the airport shopping experience, putting them at the head of the decision-making process. Today, we are here with a beautiful and different concept. This walk-through store that offers a warm welcome to Curaçao and offering different categories, liquors, tobacco, chocolates, and perfumes. A diversity of products with the best quality and with competitive prices on their duty-free concept. but with the most important ingredient are our qualified and friendly employees. Here you can see my team. Thank you again for attending this event, and please join us to get an inside view of the shop in the special tasting of chocolate and wines that we have prepared for you. Welcome.
Thank you very much. And joining Mrs. Sanchez right now for the official picture moment will be of the commercial department, the COO, Mr. Marcos, Mrs. Maduro, and Mrs. Hernandez. The duty-free concept has been officially opened. Please come closer and enjoy the new duty-free walk-through system.
which was inaugurated in the third quarter of 2016. Passengers and airport visitors are now welcome to the dynamic area covered from the elements of the Curacao weather, with a welcoming ambience from the welcoming ribbon, welcome to Curacao, to attributes such as facilities and the beautiful duplicate of the Smith plane. To now, advertising possibilities and new food and beverages facilities at the airport. Since 2016, Curacao Airport Partners has taken over the advertising at the airport. Under its leadership, modern dynamic advertising facilities have been implemented, giving companies, products, and service providers in Curacao and abroad the opportunity to promote to 1.7 million passengers passing through Curacao International Airport, as well as thousands of visitors and airport users awaiting their loved ones at the arrivals hall or working here at the airport. Through the email address advertising@curacao/airport.com, the advertisement coordinator, Finley Keniston, can be contacted in order to offer all interested parties a suitable advertising location or the state-of-the-art screen advertising space here behind us. Also, bringing delicious aroma in the arrivals hall is the Bella Italia. Both arriving and departing passengers, as well as visitors and airport users, enjoy the delicious gelato, pizza, cafe lavazza, panini, smoothies, and much more while listening to Italian music and radio. Without further ado, I ask forward the representative of Bella Italia for a few words, followed by the ribbon cutting, Mr. Aldo Benita.
Durante presente, para mí es un honor para mí por dar un speech over the Bella Italia. La que nos comienza di pizza con 10 anni passati, Rudy, mi socio, un anni, navega, nostra pizza, lo dico, nostra Korsou, una cena Korsou, però ambos nostra tata e mamma italiana. Entonces nos dice para nosotros algo original la Korsou de nuestro origen, de nuestro papanan, van a crecer ice cream. Y después ice cream bon, gelato, ice cream dopo cosa. La nostra gelato Korsou y a la vez algún cosa italiano más, como pizza, panini, café, lavazza, algún café bon. Para nós receber nos roots na Korsou de nos antepassados. Assim na passei hoje 10 anos passados, ela começou a fazer jogo, fazer wega, hobby, e ela para ver negócio sério, tem agora que negócio aqui na Curacao Airport Partners, abrirá em 4 filiais de lugar que chamam Bella Italia aqui. Nós estamos orgulhosos de poder Tiendanan, que sombra grupo de Curacao Airport Partners a escolher nós para nós por estar presente aqui, para nós seja um honor e nós ter paz, nós ver e também nós staff, nós vamos mira toda match preparar e nós ter facilidade para o futuro e também na tour passageiro não poder chegar no turista. Como gesto, nós damos special discount na tour empleado na Curacao Airport Partners, como gesto para nós dar nossa presença aqui. E também nós mais danke para escolher nós. E nós temos terceira porque for a long time, para nós airport crescer mais e vira um destino mais importante da região de Caribe. Danke.
Thank you very much. We'll continue immediately with the ribbon cutting at Bella Italia.
so pleasant like at On the Rocks. This stylish bar offers a wide range of exquisite wines, beers, and great cocktails. Visitors of the airport have been seen hanging out comfortably while enjoying some On the Rocks bites and drinks with direct view of the passengers. And passengers have been pleasantly surprised as they were able to enjoy their first cocktail in Curacao at the airport. I'd like to welcome forward the representative of On the Rocks Bar, Mr. Quincy Santiago.
Damas y caballeros, buen día. Miembros de prensa, welcome na arrivals hall na airport. Nang aguarda é parte de bar como último. De que representa um beijo que você não põe welcome drink in hand. On the Rocks é um bar que põe você tranquilo, o guarda por ser tranquilo a Korsou, e desfrutar de deporte, desfrutar de sport na televisão. E você tranquilo, bem porta de saída do aeroporto. Nós estamos agradecidos por nos portar aqui na bem a Racossal, onde o bela Itália oferece turismo que também guarda na chega por depois, ambiente ameno para não ser tranquilo guarda. Não quero mais sobre mais de pizza, mas me tenho que dar para saber se aqui para dar welcome drink que nós. Mirando agora com o ticket trempan, nós estamos por álcool dentro, não é raro que sei, mas beleza, passa aqui na que nós e sempre welcome que nós temos a sala aqui na aeroporto. Bom, thank you.